Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable autoplay videos on Facebook. So for you to be able to do that, you have to tap and open your Facebook app on your iPhone. Once you do that, then you click on the menu icon, then you click at the gear button, which is the setting icon. Then you scroll down, then under preferences, then you're going to tap on media, then right here under the autoplay option, you can see our autoplay option for video on mobile data and Wi-Fi is on. So for you to be able to disable autoplay video, just gonna have to click toggle this option, which is never autoplay videos. Just gonna tap on it, and that's it. That is how to disable autoplay video on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe for more. Thank you.